Hey guys, Ardy here from PROTRADERSNETWORK.com, and yes, today we're gonna take a look at UK oil, and we're gonna see whether there's anything that as traders we can do at this point, or should we just observe what's happening in the oil market. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to share with you what are the news that's been coming out that's affecting oil prices right now. So let's just get on to it, right? Okay, so recently we have seen that oil prices has been hit by concern over the Chinese economy and higher supply. And as you guys know, if there's higher supply, basically price is going to fall if there is no corresponding demand which actually meets that particular supply, right? So in China, July factory activity basically grows at the slowest pace since February 2020, and there is a worry over China's economy after a survey showing growth in factory activity slipping sharply in the world's second largest oil consumer. So basically we know that China has been leading in the economic recovery in Asia, and if the pullback deepens, concerns will grow that the global outlook will see a significant decline, right? So on top of that, guys, it's not just about the Chinese economy that we are worried about and how it can actually impact on the oil prices. We are also there's also the next point, which states that basically OPEC July's oil output hits 15-month high, and together with the survey concerns in China, it has basically compounded the problem, right, with higher crude output from OPEC producers. So a recent Reuters survey found that oil output from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, rose in July to its highest since April 2020. Okay, so these are 2 points which has actually came out, and it's not actually good for the price of oil. And okay, we need to also look at what's happening on the charts, right? So let's go on to the charts. Alright, so here we have right now the daily time frame of UK oil, and as you can see, today and yesterday we had actually bearish candles. We had price falling from a high of around $75, and now right now price has fallen to around the $72.84 level, right? So let's just draw some support and resistance levels at this point so that we can actually see where price might actually move from here. Okay, so at this point here we can see that we have strong resistance somewhere around the $77 zone, and price have actually tried to actually break that zone, and we have been actually seeing lower swing highs, right? And let me just mark for you, okay, at this point here around the $77 region we have a swing high, and then after that another lower swing high at around the $76.65. After that we have another lower swing high around the $75.80 level, right? So where is price going to from here, right? I believe that with that lower swing high we might see another retest of the 100 exponential moving average, which I marked here in red, right? So I have the 100 exponential EMA, and then the blue line which is actually the 200 exponential moving average. So at this point here I believe that we might see some slanting support at this level, but if this were to fall, the next support level would definitely be at the $64.75, and next we would see price actually going down lower, possibly towards the $60.50 level, and which also coincides with the 200 exponential moving average, right? So at this point in time I wouldn't say that it's a good time to buy oil right now. I would wait for price to actually bounce off this particular slanting line. If it doesn't, we know it's going to fall lower, and therefore we got to actually really observe what price action does at this level when it goes near the 100 exponential moving average. If it bounces from here and goes on towards the next slanting line at the top here, and it rebounds higher, then we can say that the uptrend has continued. But at this point here we got to wait a little, we got to be patient, and I believe that we got to see how things actually pan out in the markets, and especially with these two new the negative news that I have actually shared with you earlier. Alright, so I hope you guys have actually benefited from this video, and there's going to be more stuff from Pro Traders Network with my team members as well. We're going to come out with a few stuff that I think would benefit you guys out there, and yeah, stay tuned, right? See you in the next session.